Palaruvi waterfall, located in Kollam district of Kerala, is one of the most beautiful and pristine waterfall in the region. The name Palaruvi translates to stream of milk, aptly describing the milky white appearance of the cascading water as it plunges down from a height of about 300 feet. Nestled amidst lush green forests and hills, Palaruvi waterfall is a popular destination for nature lovers, adventure enthusiasts, and those seeking a serene retreat. Palaruvi waterfall is renowned for its stunning natural beauty and scenic setting. The waterfall descends in a single uninterrupted stream, creating a misty spray and a soothing ambience. Surrounded by dense forest and rocky terrain, the area around the waterfall is rich in biodiversity, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. The sight of the milky white water cascading down the rocky hills cliffs against the backdrop of lush greenery is truly mesmerizing. The waterfall is especially beautiful during the monsoon season when the water flow is at its peak and the surrounding forest is at its most verdant. One of the highlights of visiting Palaruvi waterfall is the opportunity to take a dip in the natural pools formed at the base of the falls. The cool, clear water is incredibly refreshing and provides a perfect respite from the tropical heat. The pools are relatively shallow and safe for swimming, making it a popular spot for families and groups of friends. The soothing sound of the waterfall, the cool breeze, and lush greenery creates a perfect setting for a relaxing picnic. The forests surrounding Palaruvi waterfalls are part of the Western Ghats, a biodiversity hotspot known for its rich and diverse flora and fauna. The dense vegetation includes tropical trees, shrubs, and a variety of flowering plants. The forest is home to numerous species of birds, butterflies, and small mammals, making it a great destination for wildlife enthusiasts and bird watchers. Visitors may spot birds such as hornbills, woodpeckers, and kingfishers, as well as various species of butterflies fluttering around the forest. The rich biodiversity adds to the ecological significance of Palaruvi waterfalls and enhances the overall experience for nature lovers. Palaruvi waterfalls is easily accessible by road from various parts of Kerala. The nearest town is Punalur, located about 35 kilometers away. The nearest major railway station is Kollam Junction. The nearest airport is Trivandrum International Airport. Several accommodation options are available in and around Punalur and Tenmala, ranging from budget lodgings to comfortable guest houses and eco-friendly resorts. These establishments provide a convenient space for visitors to explore Palaruvi waterfalls and the surrounding attractions. The best time to visit the waterfalls is from June to January, when the waterfall is at its most spectacular and the weather is pleasant. The monsoon season is from June to September, which brings heavy rainfall, enhancing the water flow and the greenery, but visitors should be cautious of slippery trails. Arenkavu Ayyappan temple is about 5 kilometers away from the falls. Thank you.